Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the donut pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Like this. Oops. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So the first thing you do is you go to any side you want. I'm going to pick green. And then you turn this middle layer to the left, like this. And then you turn the cube so it's facing up. And then you turn this middle part to the left. So it's like this. And then turn that so it's facing up like this. And then turn this to the left. So it looks like this. And then turn that middle layer to the left. And you have the donut pattern. Also makes the flag of Japan, kind of. Okay, so to fix it, you literally just do it backwards, like this. Or you could do it another way. The other way is, you see this red part? You have to get it to the red center, so like this. And then the white edges, you have to go to the white center. And then these green edges have to go to the green center. And then just turn this. Ta-da!